Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix message notification not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on messages app and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, so it just reset all settings. It's not gonna remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here, click on messages app and click on force stop. After force stop messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, click on notifications and click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.